Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you can install Havoc OS on your smartphone. So Havoc, whatever you gonna call it, is basically a stock Android and I really like it, but it's more customizable than the Pixel experience. So on the camera is basically Mi camera you will get, or you will also get the AI options, and also in the video as you can see you will able to record up to 4K 30 fps, so that's pretty cool. Also you will get manual control enable on your smartphone. As you can see you will get manual focus, manual white balance, manual ISO control, everything you needed to run the Gcam. Okay, so if you go to the settings and configure center, you will see these are the options you will get on this operating system. As you can see you can customize the status bar as you want. As you can see you will see this cool logo on the bar. You can also enable the network traffic as well. As you can see 4G icon. Oh, I don't have SIM card in it right now, so it won't show. Also in the quick settings you will able to see these background blur and effects setting icon. Also you will get ambient display, which is always on display. After you turn off your device you will able to see this cool time and the date on your phone, and it's really good, but I wouldn't recommend for if you're using the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I wouldn't recommend because this phone has LCD panel which can't block entire display for showing up. So as you can see it's not AMOLED display, so you shouldn't turn this on. But yeah, you can also turn this on while charging. This will only work on the charging. That's pretty cool. Again, a really good feature. You will also get buttons if you want to suspend any app during battery is on the low. So that's pretty cool. Another good option, you can customize animation. As you can see you can turn into fade or any animation you want. Also you will get this visualizer on the lock screen. You will get option to turn this on. As you can see, if you turn this on you will get a music visualizer whenever the music playing, and if you're on the lock screen you will see that music visualizer. Also pocket detection, if you put your phone in the pocket it will automatically lock the entire device, so that's again a really good feature. So yeah, also you will get a gaming mode which enhance stop the background activity in the gaming while you are playing the game. So again it's really good feature. Also playback, I don't know what it does, but yeah, these are some of the new features in this Havoc OS. I don't know how to pronounce that. Really cool. Also you will get options for the MI customization options. So as you can see you can turn this on, ambient display. You can change the color of your display as well. Also you get MI sound enhancer, which increase the volume and also give you that boomy bass if you want that on your phone. So also this will be based on the Android 10, so that's pretty cool. You will get the latest and the greatest Android on your device. So I really like this ROM. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you can install this on your smartphone. So let's get started. As always you have to turn off your device using the power off. And click on the power plus volume up button. Okay, so once you enter the recovery mode, first swipe to unlock, then wipe, advanced wipe, and wipe all of these files. Do not wipe internal storage if you have any important file or if you have zip file in the internal storage as well. So after you do that, you can install from your internal storage, but I put the zip file on my USB drive, so I'm gonna flash using my USB drive. So as you can see right now, I just connected my USB drive. Now I'm gonna go to install. So all I have to do is now is to sweep. As you can see, the setup start running. Okay, after it's done, go back and wipe the cache first. Okay, now click on the home, go to the mount and mount the system and the vendor. Okay, after again click on the home, go to the wipe, click on format data and click say yes. So now click on the home, again go to the reboot and system, and now you can remove your USB drive. As you can see, now it's booting up. So as you can see, the setup is now started, and now you just have to click on yes. I'm just gonna skip this. Okay, I don't want to copy my data right now, so I'm just gonna go with don't copy. So let's see if fingerprint is working. You just have to tap really fast. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. So yeah, here you go. This is how you can install this new Havoc OS on your smartphone. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.